Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. We are back at the church and we are continuing the veggie project. So today we're going to be applying the new soil, taking out all the weeds and finalizing everything, planting all the seeds we have to plant, and then we're technically done with this project. So I'm going to be right back. We're going to do clip by clip, and so I'm going to just record whenever I have something done. So here's the first clip of how it looks right now. So jumping into this segment, jumping into this part of the video, I know I look like a mess because we just finished everything at the church, but I wanted to jump during the segment of the video because I didn't film a video purposefully because of the fact that they were cutting the grass, the wind was everywhere, it was too noisy, so it drowned out my voice. So I wanted to wait until I came back home to film this part of the video. But me and the pastor's wife took out all the weeds, which thank you and huge shout out to her, because if it wasn't for her we would have finished it to a bit later. But we did it, we tag teamed it, we take out all the weeds, and then I actually placed a fresh layer of soil and I planted all the seeds. So the next part of the video you'll see is me actually planted the seeds and everything done. But I wanted to come into the segment of the video to explain to you guys that the weeding was done, and now we actually moved on to the actual part of planting the seeds and adding the new soil. So let's go ahead and show that clip now. So to main gardeners, we finished up the project right now. Sorry if the audio is a little bit more blotchy in a way because of the wind, but we already did complete our project here. We laid down the fresh layer of topsoil, we added our watermelon seedlings, and we planted all different types of vegetables like butternut squash, zucchinis, green beans, cucumbers, basil, radish, tomatoes. We did all that here and we sectioned it off in each part. I'm gonna give you guys updates throughout the season once we see more sprouts, we see actual production, and then we'll bring back to it. So I know we are planning to plant some pentas around some trees we have. So if we do some, I'll record it during this video. So I will go see where they want me to plant the pentas that I brought for them. So let's go do that now. So to main gardeners, the project at the church has been completed and done. We planted butternut squash, cucumbers, radish, green beans, watermelon. We also planted zucchini and also an herb, which is basil. I had so much fun doing this project, but this is not the end of this series yet. We still have multiple projects yet to do at the church. So this is just the tip of the iceberg. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you want to see more of these series, please leave a like down below. It really helps support my channel. And if you want to join my journey, please hit that subscribe button as well. So thank you all so much for watching, and may God bless you and your family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.